Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into another video. Today it's jacobcrypobury. I'm your host and we can look at Zilliqa today. We're starting the video off with some great news over here. We can see we've officially joined the Blockchain Game Alliance, BGA. Zilliqa now has a hand in defining the future for blockchain based gaming. So they're really getting their hands in with the metaverse at the moment, the play to earn, the DeFi and everything else, which is going to really help crypto grow in the future. And I think the metaverse, NFTs and everything else is going to still hold and give great value to the cryptocurrency community in general. Think how many new people this is bringing in to the particular space, just like meme coins did, guys, and NFTs. They're bringing people in and allowing these types of new people to actually discover what the real blockchain potential is and the blockchain world is about. So this is great stuff to see right here on the Zilliqa side of things. So just before we do dive into the Zilliqa price and everything, well, let's have a look what's happening in the market at the moment. We can see that Bitcoin has had its weekly bounce, 4.1% up for the market cap, back to $41.6K with a 790 billion market cap. So it's looking pretty juicy. We can see fear and greed index, which is chilling at around 27. So pretty fearful, extreme fear last week, and it did show that the bulls had strength because lots of people went short and were liquidated, and if you went long as of last week, you would have probably made a fair bit of money. We can also see that the altcoin season, we're sitting just under 25 at the moment, and that means basically it's a Bitcoin season. So we're still waiting for Bitcoin to make its decisive move in the market, and I think it's safe to say that we're still kind of in this phase, which reminds me very much of November to January. So it could be a few months that we're still stuck under this before we see alts start to pop off. And if Bitcoin can hold at this level and trade sideways and we get those alts popping off, it looks like we're going to have a much greater market capitalization, excluding the Bitcoin's price as well. So Zilliqa, what's happening at the moment? We can see we rank 67, trading at 0.123 with market capitalization of $1.74 billion. Loads of trading volume, $500 million. We're looking at a third of the total market cap being traded every 24 hours. That's a lot of eyes on this particular coin right now, guys. That's a lot of traders looking. So we can see, I mean, looking at what we got. Maybe we fell to the 0.6, the 0.5 over here. 0.6 we've come down to, and it looks really nice to see that we've corrected around this golden pocket Fibonacci retracement zone. And what we're going to do now is just check out the price for Zilliqa itself on my charts. We can take away these now. So what's happening is we had that massive pump when the Metapolis news was coming out. That was already so long ago. Can you believe it? Over a month ago. Wow. So we took the huge ride up to around $0.22 and we've corrected down. That was our 0.618. And what's happened really is we've finally broken out of this particular resistance. And that's really, really nice to see on the diagonal resistance side of things. So we broke through here on the resistance. Lots of resistance here, 0.126. Lots of resistance here, 0.13. Loads of resistance here, 0.134. So what that means is that now we've actually broken out of this resistance. We might be starting a new uptrend. What we want to see is a retest of this particular support level, come down, even though we did retest actually the 0.1186, which does give me a bit of confidence, to be honest. And I suppose the level afterwards will be looking at the next price target. So we want to look at them one by one. We don't want to just get too bullish too quickly. But the next area I'd like to see for Zilliqa is at least coming up to this 0.127, retesting this, and then see if we can retest the support before moving up to at least 0.135 over there. So that's a key area of resistance, would be the neckline of this slanted double bottom position that we've got here. A little bit overbought on the relative strength index. So that does make me kind of turn my head a little bit and look the other way. However, I think it looks really, really good, and maybe we're going to still get an impulse to the upside. If we just look at the Fibonacci extension here, take this swing high down to swing low, we can see some key areas that we need to get back to would be 0.18 on the golden fib. And if we do break through this particular level and come up to an all-time high, we're looking at 0.31 as our golden price target over there. So 0.31 would be the golden pocket. Of course, we can we can put through a lower price. We can even put through a slightly lower price at 0.26. But after the all-time high is retested, if we do come up to that local high as well, and we do bust through, when we see the price discovery, I expect 0.26 to $0.3 will be the price level that we come up to. So there is still a 200% opportunity, waiting here for Zilliqa should it want to move in that particular direction. I think Zilliqa is an amazing project, a low cap gem, great team behind it, and we can just see a lot of strength with this particular project. We're getting the swing high, swing low, swing high action, and now we're consolidating at this particular level on the 1 hour time frame, and it looks really nice. It actually looks a bit like an ascending channel. We can just see this right here. There's no rising wedge sort of appearances, which makes me feel kind of bullish, to be honest. So no rising wedge. We've got that ascending channel, which is typically bullish as well, and if we break out of this ascending channel in the hourly time frame, that's when we'll also be seeing these resistances potentially retested. So it reinforces the fact that we're getting some bullish momentum, and it does look good. We have got a bit of a bearish divergence, to be honest with you guys, on this particular hourly time frame. As you see, the price is coming up, higher highs, and we are getting that slightly lower high on the RSI. So do beware of the bearish divergence. It means we can get a slight pullback, and if we were to get a pullback, we might be looking at a level of $0.119 or something like that. Nothing too major, I'd imagine. Just bear in mind that this is risky, this kind of project. With all that trading volume, we're seeing lots of volatility. But yeah, fantastic project, guys. If you want to buy Zil today, check out the link down below. You can buy other cryptos using it on one of the best exchanges out there. And also make sure you join the Discord channel. It'd be great to see you guys in here. We've got about 200 people. We're just always talking about different sort of projects in crypto, trading, new alt cap gems, DeFi projects, and much more. So please do feel free to join the Discord down in the link below. Subscribe, thumbs up, like, and I'll see you soon.